What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best JD Sports discount code. I've been searching for hours trying to find a code worth using, and I've managed to find possibly the greatest JD Sports promo code, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. This is going to get you 100 pounds or dollars or euros off your next order, and it is a simple discount code that you can apply in the JD Sports website. So you need to use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone in this case, but it doesn't matter if you're on Android. Just make sure you have an internet connection. So I'm going to head on over to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, guys, you need to make sure you do go to the correct website. This is a coupon codes website, and pretty much codes for, you can see here, they have hundreds of pages for different websites. So go to the search bar, type in JD Sports. This is the page you need to find, guys. JD Sports coupons and deals. Now, as I mentioned, you can get a £100 off JD Sports promo code. No minimum spend, so you can literally add like 105 to the basket. Apply this code and you'll only have to pay 5. And you can also get 50% off your next order. So you just calculate which one's going to save you the most money. If you're doing a super large order, the 50% off could be more beneficial. You can see these coupons are limited in number, so you will need to unlock your personal code. This limits 1 code per person. So click show coupon. Now you can see this is a £100 JD Sports promo code, and you need to unlock your code. You can see the code is protected. Now, this prevents people, like I said, from getting thousands and thousands of pounds worth of codes. So unlock code. Now, I've already done this, so I don't want to waste these codes just because I'm creating a video. But yeah, when this gets to the end, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your JD Sports promo code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these free tasks. It'll be pretty obvious when you see the screen and just read the instructions. But yeah, just take your time, complete them. And once you've done that, your code will be fully revealed. So these styles will turn into a code, and you can go ahead, redeem it in the JD Sports basket, and that's going to save you £100 or 50% off. So go to topdogcodes.com and search for the JD Sports page, and just make sure you do follow all of the instructions to unlock your code. And yeah, in about 5 to 10 minutes, you will have your code and you can save a ton of money. So enjoy, guys, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.